Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys all had a great and safe New Year's Eve. I am here to plan, we'll just get right down to business, in my social media planner. So I don't know if you caught it or not, but I did post a couple days ago my monthly view for this planner, which is my budget view. I used these stickers from Lavish Paper Company and I love them. I will probably use them every month going forward. I really do like how it turned out, and yeah, they're very functional. So definitely check out Lavish Paper Company. Use the code Natalie15 and you get 15% off your order. And yeah. So this week I am going to be using this New Year's sampler from the Planner Junkie, which is now Zona Paperie. She's going to be opening today. So I think my code still works, crafting a plan for 20% off, but I'm not exactly sure if she's going to be issuing new codes with the new website. So if I know that by the time I post the video, I will post that information below. But these are the Saturday samplers. They come out every Saturday and they're limited edition, so you definitely need to keep an eye out for them. But I love how functional the stickers are and how cute the designs are that she has. I have several of them. And then she also just has regular color samplers that are good. So crafting a plan will get you 20% off, I think. Check the information below. So this is what I am going to be using for my social media and budget planner going forward. This is the Blaze Your Own Trail student planner. So it does only go, I think, until July. So I will be switching at least in July, maybe in June or July when new planners come out. But for now, this is what I'm going to be using, and I'm super excited. So on the top row, I do my budget. So that's just my bills due. The middle row is Instagram, and then the bottom is YouTube. But I may be changing that soon because I think I'm going to be starting to run the Facebook group for Lavish Paper Company. So I think I might make one of these rows for Lavish Paper Company, specifically the Facebook group. So if I do that, I'll probably just cut out my budget and do that instead. So I'm going to leave these on sticky notes just in case that ends up changing. So, but as you may notice, I have a plan to post every day this week. So I am going to take these pages off the discs, so it'll just make it easier. And then I just have a to-do list down here because today is not Monday technically. Today's Sunday, so this is all the ones that I need to film, so that I may just keep on a post-it note or actually write in over there. And then I'm going to leave the top on post-it notes just in case that changes. So what I do plan on doing, there's 7 of these, is I am going to put these on the Instagram days so I can just write what pictures I want to post, which is normally like a hashtag picture and then maybe a picture for my YouTube videos just to direct people there. But it's one of the main reasons I wanted to use this cute kit for this, is because of these cute little stickers. I also do a horizontal planner for my main planner, and I love using these little stickers for that as well, for to-do lists, because the horizontal doesn't have, it's a little bit smaller than that. So then I am going to cover up this little daydreamer thing down here with these decorative stickers. And then I'm going to use a bigger sticker on Monday just because I think I am posting 2 videos that day. And then I'll use one of these small stickers for the rest of the week to write what video I'm posting each day. And I mean, I'm using this for my social media planner. You could easily do something similar to this for just a regular planner if you don't have a planner dedicated to social media. You could just use all the vertical lines. I mean, obviously for each day you could break it up and have like a to-do list on one, your appointments on one, and a meal plan on another. I mean, there's so many things you can do with a vertical planner. I've just chosen to do social media with mine. And then over the notes, I'm going to do the to-do sticker. Then I would have normally put like a pay the bills up in the corner because that is normally the pay the bills one, but I'm not going to just because it may or not be. And then I love to use these stickers anytime I can from the Planner Junkie. I have whole sheets of them for Friday, and then she also has Hump Day and Sunday Fun Day on whole sheets. And I just love to cover the days because I think it's so fun. Then I'm definitely going to use the weekend sticker. Because I just love the colors of the kit, and yeah, I just love it. Then I don't want to say lastly because it may not be lastly. I think I will use this little squiggly one down here just for a little extra, and that's crooked. I think that is all I'm going to do on this one. Definitely check out my Instagram though, because I do a before the pin and an after the pin on there. So I'll be posting pictures of this so you can see what I ended up doing. Next week I'll have a better idea of what I'm going to be doing up at the top. But yeah, so I hope you guys had a great New Year again. I hope that you have lots of great plans and goals and that you're going to use a planner to help you with those. And I hope you have a great rest of your weekend and a good week. Hopefully it's a short one for a lot of you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out Zona Paperie and Lavish Paper Company, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.